Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 8. I can't believe we're at our last week together. I was really looking forward to meeting with all of you this final week together. But as you know, with everything going on in the world, everything is strictly online. All distant education is going on right now. For most of you who works in schools as well, I bet it's the same thing. I too am working from home. So let's go ahead and go over week 8, which is module 8. And what you're going to be doing this week is you are going to complete a discussion board on marketing. Because we aren't meeting, I didn't want you to lose out on your participation points, so I changed it into a discussion board. And it's all about marketing. And the original thread is due Wednesday, April 1st, with 2 peer reviews by Friday, April 3rd. Okay, so make sure you get your original thread in by Wednesday and 2 peer responses by Friday. And I'd like to meet as live to complete your group presentations on the 30th, which is Wednesday the 30th, and at 6:30, which is our normally scheduled class time. I'm waiting for a couple of you to email me back, so that time is still kind of up in the air, but I'm planning on 6:30 at this point. I will email you a link to log on to Zoom. You do have to have Zoom on your computer already, so just go ahead and download Zoom onto your computer. I'll send you the email. You just click the link that I provide you, and it will go right into our live presentations. Now, you will want to practice what you are assign each section of the assignment to each individual person, and that person will talk during that time. We'll all be on. Our class is pretty small, so I believe there was only 3 presentations, so it'll go pretty quickly. I'm assuming 10 to 15 minutes per presentation. And then that same night, you'll want to submit a hard copy, or not a hard copy, I guess, through Canvas. So I submit electronic copy through Canvas, and it will be for every single person because we're not meeting and you can't hand me a binder. I'd like you to go ahead and submit, each person submit. But before I let you go, I would like to go over the assignment, the rubric, really quick with you guys. Let's see. Just going to the modules real quick. And the assignment is under module 8. It's 100 points. I know you're all going to do fabulously. So this is the portion of the binder that I'm looking for. So you're going to assign each person to handle a few of these categories. The first one is a welcome letter. Then you have your vision and mission statement. You will have school policies, general information about the program. You will have teaching philosophy. What is your philosophy of the program? You'll have the role of the teacher, volunteers, etc. So you want to make sure you have, role of the directors, the teachers, anybody that you will have at your site. You want to have a schedule and routine of your program. And then personal biography. A few of you have emailed me. And a personal biography could be as simple as just a few lines about each teacher or each staff member. And then organization and presentation, again, that's how you are going to be presenting through Zoom. I want to go back to the personal biography because one person did ask. Here is a sample of what I sent out. This is a sample of what one of my teachers wrote on my website. So this is her bio. I am a HFCS, that is our school name, alumni, and I am so excited to be returning as a teacher this year. This will be my first year teaching at Holy Family. However, I have had the privilege of teaching since 2014. I was a lead preschool teacher at another small faith-based preschool in Orange for 2 years, and I was a substitute teacher throughout Orange Unified School District for 2 years after that. Outside of teaching, I have worked with children as a nanny and or tutor for over 15 years. I attended California State University, Long Beach, where I earned my BA in Family Studies with an emphasis on early childhood development. Then she goes on to say, my goal is to create a safe, positive environment that your child will be able to grow and blossom in with the ability to express themselves through hands-on learning and exploration. I'm looking forward to getting to know each of you this school year. So again, that is just a small sample of what my teacher wrote, but you can make it a smaller version, but just kind of a little bio that me as a new parent, I kind of get to know a little bit about your staff prior to attending your school. If you have any questions on this assignment, please feel free to email me. I am looking forward to our Zoom call, and I will see you all soon. Again, please be safe and know you all are in my prayers. Have a fantastic week, and if you need me, please reach out.